2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date. While the Acura NSX Type R supercar received a number of updates for the 2021 model year, none of them resulted in a significant increase in overall performance. In any case, another report out of Japan on Tuesday suggests a more powerful Acura NSX Type R could bow at the Tokyo Motor Show in October. 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date. The 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date, regardless of its extraordinary likely. In the last 25 several years of its presence, the particular Acura NSX Type R created somewhat a great deal of followers worldwide, and many ones won't ever retrieve coming from the truth that Honda pulled your tweezing back 2005 regarding this unit. In that year's Detroit Auto Show, Honda showed that the actual Acura NSX Type R has returned in the guide shopping clearly since never ever previously in the past. They didn't stop presently there, having said that created a selection to Acura NSX Type R design not far off. 2021 Acura TLX Type S review. The center of the engine supercar, which will set you back just a small part of its major opposition, that could surely carry out condition of the artwork development and remain a car with regard to day-by-day utilize as well, is a thing really advantageous. 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine. The 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date will become a top in each and every portion, and also in regards to the particular engine and also overall productivity. The particular whipping cardiovascular from the brand new Acura NSX Type R is a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 petroleum engine, consist of through around 3 helping electric-powered engines, one sandwiched in the center the particular engine plus the sending process, and the other each and every top weariness. Effectiveness prudent, the Acura NSX Type R will surely have the capacity to oversee upwards despite having by a long shot the most expensive supercars these days, having its speed through so as to 60 in simply just inside 3 mere seconds, achieving top of the line some around 200 miles per hour. The power inside this particular Acura NSX Type R is obviously remarkable. Created up as well, having AWD development, 9 degrees design sending, 3 power motors, also 4 vacationing handles. Using this type of engine energy, this sort of vehicle could provide the top quality performance concerning the roadway. 2021 Acura NSX Type R exterior. The 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date was launched inside 2015, 8 numerous years as soon as the Japanese company released that the completely new very car review is actually underneath improvement. Whatever the brand new 2021 Acura NSX Type R getting been very crushing from the Ford GT Detroit Auto Show, the design's flashlight sleeves are packed with a handful of all the more bullets. The most crucial you may evidently function as the estimated variety R difference, which had been fairly officially checked simply by Ted Kloss, the primary expert responsible for another era Acura NSX Type R. In a position to have the option to pass due 2021 or even really early on 2021 with the most recent, the brand new Acura NSX Type R will probably deliver headaches on the creative designers in command of the particular Nissan GT-R R36, which is certainly furthermore as of now an improvement. 2021 Acura NSX Type R interior. 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date. Intense excess weight lowering software has been primarily handled using a no-nonsense cabin. It truly is anticipated the 2021 Acura NSX Type R will adhere to the comparable training course. On this occasion, environmental surroundings command may the truth is be kept up despite the fact that, with no important qualities becoming fairly erased from your frequent model. Keeping up that getting stated, your way all set Acura NSX Type R variation will more than likely showing off process some thinner package seats created from skin fixing and fiber content, and also virtually no rugs in any capacity. 2021 Acura NSX specs, interior, and review. Upcoming Acura NSX Type R users could furthermore perform without seated navigation, another stereo system with an inexpensive level of noise stifling. Given that those passing up on capabilities will almost certainly associate straight into a major loss in body weight, they have to not necessarily recommend a great deal of 2021 Acura NSX Type R release date and price. 2021 Acura NSX Type R engine review and release date. So far as prices are locked in, practically nothing will be formal. However, nonetheless, some rates group of friends all around referring to the 2021 Acura NSX Type R will surely cost you close to $150,000 for that basic design and stay uncovered anywhere toward the finish of 2021. The particular model will clearly be promoted as well as marketed as being a 2020 12 months model. Considering the productivity each small point, what's more, the brand new Acura NSX Type R is undoubtedly really worth the deferral and also mortgage.